Welcome back to my bathroom. Today it's our final crafting session. We're on part 3 of our white elephant, dirty Santa, Yankee swap, whatever you want to call it. We're making junk to exchange for more junk. Not to brag, but we're getting serious this time. I even brought out the craft cart. For the first one, you'll need some Kentucky water. We're gonna use the leftovers from last week. You're gonna wanna empty this rat poison. Chug it, shotgun it. In the crafting section, they had this beaded hoop, and you'll also need some yarn. Thinking you should do a little zigzag, something that looks like a zodiac sign or something. Everybody has that one friend. Oh, I only date Tauruses. Really, Sarah? How about we only date men who treat us right? Should look something like this. Now through your soda pop can, you're gonna do one of those, and then tie that to the hoop. This is a redneck dreamcatcher, or you could say hillbilly, which did you know, in the 60s, Mountain Dew actually had a mascot called Hillbilly Willie. Hillbilly Willie had a really funny slogan, "It'll tickle your innards." As my uncle would say, damn Skippy, it sure will. I mean, hell, that will probably kill bugs. The yarn at the Dollar Tree, 0 stars. Now you don't want to trip at the finish line with this. You need to add the hook so the receiver can hang it above the bed. What do you think? It could also be a wind chime. Call me crazy, but I think root beer cans would sound a little bit better. For this high quality craft, you'll need this cookie tin. At the Big D, they had sewing kits. You're just gonna open this up and dump it in here. This is gonna be Grandma's sewing kit. I got my favorite grandma candies. My grandma had about 10 of these. It was like playing Russian roulette. Which one is cookies and which one is gonna be a sewing kit? You'd run up to one, find it, open it up. Oh, this is a sewing kit. Go find the next one. Another sewing kit. Grandma, were you a seamstress in a past life? I have never seen you sew before. Why don't we just get rid of maybe 4 sewing kits? Let's just keep one. Brittany, what in the Sam hell is wrong with you? In the Great Depression, we used to sew potato sacks together to make dresses. But now you buy your clothes with Kohl's cash. If these times don't quit changing, it's gonna be the Great Depression again, and I'm gonna have to sew you a dress out of a Food Lion bag. Bunches of plastic. And you're gonna wish we had these 4 sewing kits. Anyway, so yeah, this is Grandma's sewing kit. Now, if you want to get extra fancy, be a Pinterest mom, which I'm not, you could put ribbon and a little bow right here. You could wrap the gift, imagine that. For this one, you need a box. And inside the box, oh, you're gonna put some cash. For whatever the limit is for the party, that's $5. Zip ties, cable ties, and you're just gonna zip tie this a bunch of times. I think I'm gonna bring this one because I got invited to a holiday party, Christmas party, whatever you want me to say. I'm not really good in social settings. Besides me being incredibly awkward, I just don't like it. I wanna be at home. Can't y'all come over here, but I don't want you here either. Y'all just come outside. We'll hang out for 30 minutes. You go home and I can continue my strict routine. What's wrong with that? Nothing like giving work as a gift. For this one, they had these really nice platters there. The toilet paper. Oh, I did it upside down. Just pretend it's right. Wizard. And this is in pumpkin spice. A little Thanksgiving leftover. I think I would rather smell your bathroom smell, to be honest. What the heck? Give it a nice rim job. Generic Tums. More Wizard. This is one of those jelly things in peppermint. Nothing like mixing peppermint and pumpkin spice together. Baby wipes. Ribbon. You're gonna put the ribbon around this. Taco Bell packets. Oh, this one says marry me? What a way to ask. Here we have a Taco Bell emergency kit. In the cemetery section, they had these little cones. You'll need the green lottery tickets. So this looks like a tree. Same thumbtacks, push pins we use for the money wreath. Oh, that one ripped. Who told me that? Someone on TikTok that I think worked at a gas station told me if they rip like this, that they're always a winner. Maybe they meant the other one was a winner. This one, they're both losers. You're gonna put 2 tickets together. Cone here, make it a little longer. Push pin here, and you just keep that going. I'm gonna have to hot glue the push pin, but make sure it's not on the barcode so it stays. If you're gonna make this, it's definitely worth spending the extra couple dollars to get the foam green one, the stiff one. This one's not holding it as well. Give the ends a little crimp. So there's layer 1. We're just gonna double up, probably do 2 more layers. Brick lay them so they're not like this in between the 2 tickets. Here's the Christmas tree. I got another one of these stars. Do you think it's too big? What do you think? For our last one, you're gonna need a loaf of bread. I got this at my local Kroger, 2 for $4. They didn't have whole loaves of bread. Loaves, am I saying that right? Loaves or loaves? I think it's loaves. They did not have whole loaves of bread at the Dollar Tree. They had sliced ones. Just going to cut the bread right here. These are gonna be pretty similar to our period pad slides we made. Just like at Jimmy John's, you're gonna take the middle out. My crows will like this. These are loafers. Maybe you should put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, get them nice and stale and crispy. That wraps up part 3, our final crafting of the year. Don't forget to be kind. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Drive slow, drink your water, and I will see you next time for something cool. Something cool. Don't you hate that? When there's 3 parts to something, couldn't you just fit it all into one video? That's directed at me. It's actually pretty pathetic. Next week, I'm taking off from crafting. Here comes Hillbilly Willie. Have you ever been to Pineapple Willie's? Because you're the only one not drinking. So now you're holding hair back, dissolving arguments, reminding Sarah that she is indeed married. Oh, guess what? They want to change locations. You've already been to 4 bars. From November to December, I'm like a trash company. She's just peeing in all these cups. Where are you? She likes Mountain Dew. She's a Mountain Dew girly. It's an excuse to break the rules, which can be controversial. Controversial. Are we gonna make it? How about that? I've got all this useless information stored in my brain, but nothing useful. But if you want to know a random fact that has absolutely no value, like a cockroach can live up to a week without its head, I can do that for you.